In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play Mario Kart Wii online. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. As you might be aware, the official Mario Kart Wii online servers were shut down years ago. However, there still exists a method for you to connect to the online servers made by the community and play Mario Kart Wii online with them. So to connect to these community servers, all that you have to do is first go over to your Wii homepage and access the settings. So tap the Wii button at the bottom left corner of the screen. Afterwards, select Wii settings. Once you go into the Wii settings, you have to find the internet category. So go over to the internet settings. Inside of internet, you will be able to browse through all of the connections. So go to connection settings, make sure that you choose the appropriate connection that you would like to manage on the list of connections that you currently have registered on your Wii. And once you choose the specific connection, go over to change settings as I've highlighted here. Now you will be able to switch left and right until you are able to find this category, Auto Obtain DNS. In this category, choose the option No, and then Advanced Settings is going to become available at the bottom. Once you go into Advanced Settings, you will be able to manually input a primary DNS and a secondary DNS. All that you have to do here is input this specific primary DNS that I'm showing you on screen, 95.217.77.151, and for the secondary DNS you can do 008.008 repeatedly 4 times. And as long as you have these DNS servers configured, you will be good to go. Once you choose confirm, it is going to ask you to update the console. Make sure that you choose no. If you choose yes, this method is not going to work. Now you can open Mario Kart Wii and access online just like you would when the servers were officially up back in the day. I hope I was able to help you on how to play Mario Kart Wii online. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.